thing you see? Okay, I would like longs from here, but they're getting absorbed big time. Fair play to you, SC, bro. So what? You don't work throughout the week, 5 days a week? You just work the weekends? Okay, there's a 30-second that ends up here, so you'd need price to close above that. There's literally no shorts here. Couldn't take a 30-second or anything. You'd have to be down bad on the 15-second. Yeah, I was going to say that is quite a lot. Yeah, we got the news highs as well. Pablo, is Chango awake? Okay, yeah, disrespect all these lows. Yes, tapping into this 4 hour again. You didn't close the 1 hour. 888. Oh, he's about to be tapped in. I I can't lie. This just looks like this wants to dump. But to be fair, ES isn't really moving as aggressive. If this is like a bullish candle that closes like this. Wow, didn't even close as a bullish candle. Oh, it did. I'd be surprised if this taps into this gap up here. It might tap up to like here. Could even just tap into the gap, but I think this wants to come down. But I guess it's testing this rejection block that he's got. Even longs here would, when we've pumped so much down, draw of liquidity is low. I don't know if I want to take this 1 minute. This big boy 1 minute. Holy shit. Imagine managing your risk on this. I kind of anticipated that to be a little bit bigger. Damn. Well, his did he get tap break even? Got a 3 minute we've just tapped into. Creating a 5 minute and 30 seconds. So this long is just a bit scary. You could take it with low risk, but I would rather us close above here and manage my risk on a smaller scale. hope I don't get insta wrecked here. We tapped into the 5. Damn, that's unlucky. I should have just held it a little bit longer. Yeah. I was just a little bit apprehensive about the 5 minute. We're in a 2 and a 3 minute here. Oh, bro. See, this is a little bit risky because if you can see, we're making lower lows and lower highs. So this is the furthest we could want to push up from here. So, well, the longs with the displacement like this and inversing this big gap here, and then this displacement candle, this is nice. So we've moved a lot. We've had a lot of displacement, but we would kind of hope to. We inversed it. See, I don't know if I want to take a play from here because, like you said, it's looking very down. Like that's what it looks like it could do. So we do have the news highs, which is the equal highs on ES. Maybe a little retracement play. You don't want to see it come down too far. I'm just gonna sit out of this one. If I'll miss the play, I'll miss the play. I had my little opportunity down here. Yes, it's up the news high, so that's got given us a bearish SMT as well. So if you're in longs, you can use that as an exit confluence right now. Yeah, if anything, I'd want to wait for this 5 minute to close. I don't care if the news highs get swept. I'd want this 5 minute to close. Although this, you do want to see this bullish candle engulf this bearish candle here. If this does engulf the bearish candle, like with a nice bit of displacement, but like it's just retracing a bit too much. I'm just happy to sit out of this. Got 1 minute until the 5 minute inverses on this candle, which obviously looks like it's going to inverse. I'm just going to fucking take it, ape it. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Yeah, I'm not taking this trade. It needs to just be a little bit more aggressive than this. ES is much higher. Market very volume. This fair value gap is 24 points, but for this big one here, for the 5 minute, 5 minutes inversed. be a fucking bit of a rough loss. Just sweep the fucking news highs. Set the news highs, go break even. We just want to see this fucking pump. If we can break this 1 minute, I'm going to try my stop to where we took the news highs. I might trail it just a little bit more to here. But if we could break this 1 minute, that would be great. 2 minute, 3 minute, that's 5 as well. Okay, yeah, I got stopped out. I lost so much. This is annoying. I accidentally placed a trade on this fucking account yesterday. Thinking it was an eval. I hope it's not break even. Okay, break even. Got a tiny 1 minute here. This is a wall though. That 1 minute and this 5 minute is a wall. We got equal highs. So, and we swept it on ES. We got a big bullish. We got a big bearish SMT on ES. So what I was targeting, ES is already swept. This low probably wants to get swept here. 30-second. Is it inversed? No, not properly. Still not really inversed. I guess kind of did. But we would smash this low now. ES didn't inverse the 1 minute. So ES is holding the 30-second as well. Too much money. I need to fucking... I just hate consistency rules. But we'll smash through this low. Taking the low. See if ES wants to take the low. Could give us a nice bullish SMT. Revisit the highs. $609. Ah. Okay, this might just melt. Yeah, good, man. Should have just taken profits when it went 200 up. I'm so baffled right now. How 12, 12. This is a 30-second right here. So we're just rejecting out of this 30-second right now. Nice displacement. Second inverse. Should pump. Tap back into that level, rejecting out of that level. From this type of price, we just need to see this now. For the sake of good price, this needs to fucking melt. Displacing, but it's displacing in the other way. What? How many contracts was you in, Pablo? I just expect this to just like give us another fucking bearish candle. ES in anything? No, ES has inversed everything. Bro, it's hunting sell side. Re-sweeping this low. Respecting the 5 minute. Oh shit, we got a 5 minute here. With this type of displacement, don't want to see it climb up any more than this. Damn, we might hold this 5 minute. Price is becoming very booty right now. Hopefully this candle just falls. It looks like the sellers are just going to absorb all of this buying pressure. Yeah, we've had so many contracts just placed. Bro, how much am I risking here? I need to get into the micro chart. I can't really risk that much. This will work as well. ES inverse to 5, NQ inverse to 5. This should really come down. But I just can't risk that much money. It's like a fucking uterus. Like I don't know. Like boys, I'm not very confident in this PA. At all. It's just consolidation. It's a bit of search and destroy. Just ranging. You just need to drop. Long off the 1 minute. I'm not interested in longs right now. I'd rather just come out of this range. Because this is pretty horrible. Pretty horrible price action. What is 960? Is that 15 minute? Yeah, it's that 15 minute. We tapped the bottom of the 15 minute, rejected off. Yeah, price action's very booty right now. I'd rather shorts, honestly. If I was to take anything, I'd rather shorts. But we're holding this 15 minute again. Like we've inversed this 1 minute long on both contracts, but I'd rather this just dump down like this. Because the 5 minute is still inverse, right? So the 5 minute is still in play. We got 1 minute 45 seconds until it fails. So I'd rather us inverse this 1 minute short. We filled it perfectly though. I might just get chopped up right now, but I'm willing to take the risk. ES didn't inverse. I didn't spot that. Exactly what I wanted to happen has happened. With respect to the 5 inverses 1 minute, it's a shame ES didn't hold that inversion. We've got re-inverse the 5. This should just hopefully just fall. This 15 minute respected again. So we could just come straight back up. We haven't even tapped that 15 minute. Did we? No. But this should really just melt here, honestly. Unless it's terrible, this should really just melt. 15, I'm not trading anymore. Yeah, I feel to get off. Look, trade. It's just not moving the cleanest right now. At all. We've put an equal. Wait, they're not equal lows. We're holding this hourly gap. How we doing, Django? Bro, I called you. Oh, okay. So I just read your text now. Bro, I was struggling to sleep. I was struggling to sleep, and then I finally found a series. You know that Tulsa King. They've got more episodes out. I was like, yes. I put one on, bro. Conked out straight away. I was pissed. Woke up this morning like, for fuck's sake. Okay, this should just fucking melt. Tap 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 into this 960 and fucking drop. What is Price doing? I'd rather just wait. We can easily take this 805 level. Easily take this 805 level. We just need to displace down, come out of this range. We got a 1, 2, 3 minute holding us up. ES has got the 4. One and 2 minute inversed here. ES is like not moving. You just got to disregard ES at this point because it's going to end up catching up. But we got no clean place to take a short from. If you could tap this LFVG, get this confluence, that would be okay. Like a 1 minute long and into all of this built up liquidity up here. Not the worst. Hold the 15 again. Because that's what I'm anticipating. We'll just hold the 15. But because we've dropped down, it's given us more convictions. Okay, this long could cook. But we really need to push up. got nice convictions. But it needs to hold that 50% point and it needs to just become with the displacement. You guys seen Tom's stock? Tom, what are you going to say about that? Nah, Django. It's probably just going to get cancelled. Okay, so the context for this long, we got an SMT. Okay, this is not good. SMT, we've had a liquidity sweep from sweeping these. Displacement's not quite there yet. We've got a 1 to 2 minute gap. We tapped the LFEG. We've got an order block. We don't have strong equal highs at something like that. We'd rather just not inverse this here. Yeah, this is good because we're building up the momentum here. We've respected 50% of this LFEG as well. So that's an added confidence too, and the order flow is aggressive. So as long as we don't reject off of this 960 level, and we close above this 960 level, this long could be very nice. And we're anticipating the 15-minute being held, but we've tapped into this and we're just rejecting out. So longs are probably not looking probable unless we get a strong retracement from the bearish move. ES couldn't even inverse that 1 minute. It's tiny. The longs are probably just dying out now. You took it. But for like shorts, we have a bearish SMT. We have an external bearish SMT. We might even have an internal bearish SMT. We've got an external and internal bearish SMT. The way price is printing, it looks nicer for shorts, for sure. Closed on 50%. But the shorts don't have the best convictions. But if it's a bearish market, then I mean it's a bearish market. 2 minutes inverse, 3 minutes inverse. It's just this 1 minute we're holding. Jesus Christ, and the risk. ES inverses the 2 and the 4 minute here as well. But it hasn't tapped into this fair value gap below. Just tap that 1 minute, the 1 minute LFEG. Yeah, I got wrecked. Still expect price to come down. Hasn't even set the low. Yeah, it just needs to play ball and come down. Let's see what happens here. The 15-minute wasn't going to inverse. It should start retracing now. Is anyone in the shorts? I'm done. Ignores catch from sunset. Just happy with a little win. Risk goofy little light because